Muy bien. And what are you gonna? Okay. And what are you gonna show? What are you gonna make? What are you gonna make?
Keep it down and then basketball.
Okay. What do you need?
Okay, basketball first and then hot cocoa first. Hot cocoa. Okay. Keep on it. Then I'm naming Wally, but we have to go this side and fold it now. Okay. And with this. And with this. Wow, that looks like a paper hat. Okay. And that's it. And this is my body. Then I'll cut it first. Then everyone.
Watch your fingers.
And Hammond put the baby in his face. And
Oh.
whoa. And then Hammond like, stop Hammond. And then go back home with the baby.
That's what you did. Show what you did. And that what you did?
Yep.
Wow.
And then I'll cut it again. I'm going to do mine again. And I'm going to make you do a video again.
Yeah, but not right now because I got to go back and see what I'm cooking over there.
What's that noise?
The wind.
What takes
The
one?
wind. Yeah. I want to show all what you did. You and Rai Rai.
And then I have to go there.
You done? Finish?
And then cut it
Are you
again.
done?
Not yet. Then cut it over here. Here. Cut it over here.
Watch your fingers. Done?
Not yet. And then I have to make it start. And then get for mommy started.
Okay.
And then cut a piece and then get for the baby.
All right.
And yellow for the baby. And then this for the baby.
See, Rai Rai?
And then for the baby back now.
Okay.
That's
Done. Thank you.
done.
All right. Good. Okay. Pom pom.